Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best grill cleaners on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Dawn Powerwash Spray Starter Kit. This launch from Dawn is not just for dishes. Just as it eliminates messy soaking of cookware and casseroles, it makes cleaning indoor grills and grill pans a breeze. For grill pans and appliances with removable hand-washable grill plates, simply place the grate in the sink, spray on this Dawn and let it sit a few minutes, then wipe clean and rinse. For non-removable plates, spray them carefully in place and wipe and rinse clean with a cloth. In our testing, Dawn Powerwash Dish Spray dissolved hamburger grease burned onto a skillet with ease. That's why it earned our Good Housekeeping seal. Though it doesn't claim to clean outdoor grills, we tried it in our testing and it worked like a charm. And once you have the sprayer, all you need is a refill. What we love: cuts grease well, easy and neat to apply. Sprayer is reusable. What we don't love: some reviewers struggled with the spray trigger. Number 2. Second best pick is Easy Off BBQ Grill Cleaner. In our tests, Easy Off BBQ Grill Cleaner performed well at dissolving burned-on grease on both stainless steel and porcelain grates. The spray foam clings to all sides of the grates to better penetrate messes. Just make sure you let the formula sit for the full recommended 40 minutes before wiping or scrubbing, and protect any surrounding surfaces with newspaper before spraying. What we love: dissolves burned-on grease. Fairly easy to dispense. What we don't love: takes longer than others to work. Number 3. Third best pick is Parker & Amp Bailey Grill Cleaner and Degreaser. In our tests, Parker & Amp Bailey Loose and Tough, Sticky, baked on barbecue sauce after sitting for only 2 minutes. Then, it took only a swipe with a brush to scrub off the caramelized mess and a quick rinse with water to finish it off. The cleaner can be used on other grill surfaces, countertops, grilling tools, microwaves, and more. One in-home consumer tester raved about how quickly it cleaned a grill's stainless steel exterior without streaking. What we love: cleans without streaking. Works on grill tools and drip pans. No fumes. What we don't love: some reviewers noted that the bottle leaks easily. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Guggen Grill and Grate Cleaner. Guggen Grill and Grate Cleaner foam loosened our charred on test soil and took only a few minutes to work on tough, sticky messes. The biodegradable formula uses the power of citrus oils to cut through grease. Testers found that the comfortable trigger spray dispenser makes it easy to target the foam into every nitty-gritty corner and spot. What we love: works in 2 to 10 minutes. Cleans to great surfaces. Can be used on stainless steel grill interiors and exteriors. What we don't love: not for use on aluminum or faux stainless steel. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner Wipes 2-pack. A Good Housekeeping seal star, Weiman stainless steel wipes are one of our faves. Use them to quickly clean and shine the outside of your grill for a neater and more convenient substitute for traditional sprays or aerosols. In our tests, they worked well at removing soil without streaking and helped resist fingerprints. The easy-to-store canister means they'll always be nearby when you need them. What we love: convenient to use. No spilling or leaking. What we don't love: wipes can dry out over time. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.